Hello everyone, how are you today? Good, that's good to hear. Today you are in a pre-K classroom and you are going to be learning the letters A, B, C, and D. You are also going to be learning the sounds through a conga line. Can anybody tell me what letters that are on the board? Those are some good guesses. The content objective for today is that students will be able to identify the letters A, B, C, and D. And for our language objective, students will be able to make the sounds of the letters A, B, C, and D. All right, boys and girls, what is this letter? Good job, it's the letter A. And what sound does the letter A make? Good job, it makes the ah sound. And do we know what starts with the letter A? Yes, we have a student named Aaliyah. The letter A is underlined in her name because her name starts with the letter A. Another two things that start with the letter A are apple and angel. Good job, boys and girls. Do we know what this letter is? It's the letter B. Good job. And do we know what sound the letter B makes? Good job. It makes the b sound. And we have a student in our class named Benjamin, and that's why the Benjamin, the B is underlined in his name. Another thing that starts with the letter B is bus. Good job, boys and girls. What letter is this? Good job, it's the letter C. And do we know what sound the letter C makes? Good job, it makes the k sound. We have a student in our class named Clarissa. And that's why I have the C underlined, because her name starts with the letter C. Clarissa. Good job, boys and girls. Do we know what letter this is? It's the letter D. Good job. And what sound does the letter D make? Good job. It makes the d sound. We have a student in our class named Dexter. The D in his name is underlined because he starts with the letter D. And his name is Dexter. All right, boys and girls, let's go over the letters again. What letter is this? The letter A. Let's sing the letter A song. The letter A says ah. The letter A says ah. I know the letter A. The letter A says ah. Now I'm going to pass out the letter A's to you all. Alright, now this is my letter A. And now what I want you to do is I want you to trace it with your finger. Good job, so that we know that this is the way we write it. Now, does the letter A have straight lines or curvy lines? Good job, it has straight lines. Now, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get our letter A's and put them behind us. And let's do the letter hokey pokey. You put the letter A in, you put the letter A out. You put the letter A in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what the letter A's about. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and move on to review the letter B. Good job, boys and girls. All right, now let me hand out, and let's sing the letter B song. The letter B says B. The letter B says B. I know the letter B. The letter B says B. Good job, boys and girls. All right, now I'm going to hand out the letter B's so we can do the same thing that we did with the A. All right, good job. Everybody has one. Now I want you to take your uppercase B and I want you to trace it. Just like you would write it. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing so good. I want you to take your 2 fingers and I want you to kiss your brain. Bing! Good job. All right. Now that we have our letter B traced, let's go ahead and put it behind us and let's do the letter hokey pokey. You put the letter B in, you put the letter B out, you put the letter B in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what the letter B's about. All right, good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and go on to review our next letter. What letter was this? That's right, the letter C. All right, let's sing the letter C song. The letter C says K. The letter C says K. I know the letter C. The letter C says K. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now I'm going to hand out the letter C to everyone. All right, good job. Now this is my letter C, and I have the uppercase C. All right, now I want you to take your fingers, and I want you to trace it. Good job. Now, does the uppercase C have straight lines or curvy lines? Curvy lines. Good job. All right, now let's take our letter C and let's put it behind us. And let's do the letter hokey pokey. You put the letter C in, you put the letter C out, you put the letter C in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what the letter C's about. Good job, boys and girls. All right, now let's review this letter. Can we remember what it is? It's the letter D. Good job. All right, boys and girls. Now let's sing the letter D song. The letter D says D. The letter D says D. I know the letter D. The letter D says D. All right, now I'm going to take it. I'm going to pass it out to you. All right, good job. Now I'm going to take the letter D and the uppercase D, and I'm going to trace it, and I want y'all to trace it too. Good job, boys and girls. All right, now does the uppercase letter D have straight lines or curvy lines? It has both. Good job. All right, boys and girls, put the letter D behind you. And let's do the letter hokey pokey. You put the letter D in, you put the letter D out, you put the letter D in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what the letter D's about. All right, good job, boys and girls. That was exceptional. And just for that, you're all gonna get a cookie. And what letter was this? A. And what sound does it make? Ah, ah, ah. And what's another word that we can use besides Aaliyah that starts with the letter A? Apple. Good job. Now, what was this letter? It was the letter B. And what sound does it make? That's right, the b. Now, besides Benjamin, what's another word that starts with the letter B? That's right, bus. All right, boys and girls. Now, what letter was this? It was the letter C. And what sound does the letter C make? Good job, boys and girls. Now, besides Clarissa, what is a word that starts with the letter C? Clown. Good job, boys and girls. All right, what's this letter? The letter D. And what sound did the letter D make? D, D, D. Good job, boys and girls. Now, besides Dexter, what's another word that starts with the letter D? Good job. Dog and doll. You all did such an amazing job today. I want you to give yourself a hug. And then I want you to clap 3 times. And now I want you to kiss your beautiful brains. Bing! Good job, boys and girls. Hi, yes, I believe that my strategy works well for my pre-K students and for English language learners because it really helps keep them engaged by singing and dancing and doing all that. It makes it really fun to learn, and the repetition of the letters and the repetition of the sounds that we hear are really good to help develop that phonemic awareness.